Millions of Teuna Classic coins will be purchased by whales. I believe that very soon we are going to see millions of dollars being invested on Teuna Classic. Though I still believe, even though whales decide to invest 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 billion dollars on Teuna Classic, right now at the time of recording this, it might not really move, it might not really change a lot of things into Teuna Classic, because imagine LUNC trading with a market cap of 492 million and you're adding extra $5 million. That should be 497 million. It doesn't look like if something happened, but I know the name Wells can really bring a lot of changes. The name Wells can help push the coin. But right now, at the time of recording this, so many crypto coins have been experiencing a lot. So even if Wells decides to invest on Teuna Classic, I think this is not the right time for Wells to invest. They might be waiting for the right time to massively invest into Teuna Classic. But I still believe that LUNC can do more better. LUNC can do more better if we can focus on helping Teuna Classic burn more coin, on helping Teuna Classic gain a lot, because I believe that so many crypto exchange are really supporting this coin. They're also ready to burn more Teuna Classic coins. At the same time, they're also ready to support Teuna Classic coin. So like I said, if we give our best towards LUNC, this coin can rise, this coin can make us a lot of millions. So let's watch and see how it goes. Let's watch and see who definitely going to push the price of Teuna Classic to go higher. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, but remember that burn of Teuna Classic is actually going on. So we still believe that only Binance, when we say who will help Teuna Classic, I still believe right now only Binance can do that. Only Binance can change the price of Teuna Classic to massively increase in price. Please remember, this is not the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.